Welcome to our channel. We're thrilled to have you here as we explore creative scrapwood crafts. If you enjoy what you see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give us a thumbs up. Your support means the world to us. Make sure to stick around until the end of the video for some exciting tips and bonus ideas that you won't want to miss. Let's get started. Scrapwood crafts have become increasingly popular among DIY enthusiasts, crafters, and even small business owners. The idea of turning leftover wood from previous projects into beautiful home decor is not only creative, but also economically savvy. With a growing interest in sustainable practices, many individuals are looking for ways to repurpose materials instead of discarding them. This analysis will explore the myriad benefits of scrapwood crafts and provide detailed project ideas that can enhance your home's aesthetic while simultaneously offering opportunities for profit. The environmental and economic benefits of scrapwood. Using scrapwood has numerous benefits, both environmentally and economically. First, it promotes sustainability by reducing waste. In a world that often prioritizes convenience over conservation, repurposing materials like wood helps to mitigate the environmental impact of manufacturing new products. Each piece of scrap wood can tell a story, and transforming it into something useful or beautiful gives it a new lease on life. From an economic standpoint, using scrap wood significantly lowers project costs. Most of us have leftover wood lying around from previous DIY projects, home renovations, or even furniture assembly. Instead of purchasing new materials, these offcuts can be creatively utilized, allowing for low-budget crafting. This not only saves money, but makes it easier to experiment with new ideas without the fear of wasting expensive materials. Popular scrapwood craft ideas. 1. Personalized wooden signs. One of the most popular scrapwood projects is creating personalized wooden signs. These signs can feature family names, inspirational quotes, or even directional signs for gardens or homes. They can be crafted with simple woodworking tools and can be customized to fit any style. The market for personalized decor is booming, making this an ideal project for those looking to sell their creations. By adding a touch of creativity, such as unique paint colors or stencils, you can create eye-catching pieces that resonate with customers. 2. Rustic picture frames. Picture frames are another excellent way to utilize scrapwood. The rustic charm of wooden frames can complement various home decor styles, from farmhouse to modern. By cutting and assembling different pieces of wood, you can create frames in various sizes and styles. Adding embellishments like decorative corners or engraved designs can make the frames even more appealing. These handmade frames can be sold at craft fairs or online, attracting those looking for unique ways to display their memories. Functional shelving units. Creating shelving units from scrap wood can be a rewarding project that combines functionality with aesthetics. Simple wall-mounted shelves or more complex freestanding units can be designed to fit any space. Custom shelves allow for personalization, such as incorporating hooks for hanging items or adding decorative brackets. The demand for unique storage solutions is high, making these shelves a practical and profitable craft. Coasters and cutting boards. Small items like coasters or cutting boards are perfect for using up smaller pieces of scrap wood. These functional pieces can be customized in various shapes and sizes, making them appealing to a wide audience. You can add personal touches, such as engravings or unique finishes, to enhance their appeal. Given the rise in popularity of handmade kitchen items, coasters and cutting boards can be particularly lucrative, especially when marketed effectively. Creative planters. Scrapwood can also be transformed into beautiful planters, allowing you to bring a touch of nature indoors or enhance your outdoor space. Simple wooden boxes can serve as planters for herbs, flowers, or succulents. You can incorporate drainage holes and various finishes for a more polished look. These planters can be marketed to gardening enthusiasts or those looking to add a rustic touch to their home decor. Charming birdhouses. Constructing birdhouses from scrap wood is another delightful project that combines creativity with functionality. Birdhouses not only beautify outdoor spaces, but also provide homes for local wildlife, promoting biodiversity. You can experiment with different designs, paint colors, and decorations to create unique pieces. Selling handmade birdhouses at local markets can attract nature lovers and gardening enthusiasts alike. To successfully turn your scrapwood crafts into a profitable venture, it's essential to keep a few key tips in mind. Quality over quantity. Focus on the quality of your craftsmanship. Well-made items will stand out and attract more customers than hastily put-together projects. Take the time to sand, stain, or paint your pieces to ensure they look polished. Unique designs. Creativity is vital. Think outside the box and try to create designs that are different from what's already available in the market. Customization options, such as personalized engravings, can also make your products more appealing. Effective marketing. Establish a strong online presence. Utilize social media platforms like Instagram and Pinterest to showcase your work and connect with potential customers. High-quality images and engaging descriptions can draw attention to your crafts. Consider setting up an online shop through platforms like Etsy or Shopify to reach a wider audience. Networking and community engagement. Participate in local craft fairs, markets, and community events. Engaging with your community not only helps you sell your items, but also builds a network of fellow crafters and potential customers. Word-of-mouth referrals can be invaluable. Pricing your crafts. When determining the price of your items, consider the cost of materials, time invested, and market demand. Research similar products to ensure your prices are competitive yet fair. Remember, handmade items often command higher prices due to their unique nature. In conclusion, scrapwood crafts offer a fantastic opportunity to turn leftover materials into beautiful home decor while also providing a potential source of income. With a variety of project ideas such as personalized signs, rustic picture frames, functional shelving, and charming planters, the possibilities are endless. By embracing creativity, focusing on quality, and effectively marketing your crafts, you can not only enhance your living space but also build a profitable business from your passion for DIY projects. Whether you are looking to declutter your workshop or start a small craft business, scrapwood crafts are an excellent avenue to explore. Thank you so much for watching our video. We hope you found it inspiring and helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great ideas. Your support helps us continue to create and share more exciting projects with you. See you in the